Welcome to Villa Ananda.
Nice to meet you.
Cold coconut.
Yes. How cool is this? Okay, I think this is one of the largest indoor water features I've ever seen inside of a house.
It's not for swimming.
Look at this lot. I'm sure when you first got here and you saw that, what was that feeling like?
The aha moment never ends.
Okay. What's the aha?
Just coming in and feeling like you can reach out and touch the ocean.
This place is deceptively big. How many bedrooms? How many people can sleep here?
So we have 8 complete suites, and each one has a little different essence. They've got, a little different gem. So my favorite, the new primary suites upstairs. It has its own private patio and a king bed, really cozy nook for a loft. And then you'll go through, and on the other side of the bathroom, you actually have an outdoor shower with a built-in bathtub in the concrete.
I love outdoor showers, but I'm obsessed with
the bath. I've heard, yes. So.
Describe to me a little bit of what I'm actually experiencing here, because it's not just a house feeling. I mean, it is a house, but what's going on?
Villa Ananda was inspired, let's say, by the grace of the divine. Mm-hmm. The essence of inviting one to connect with something higher than the mind, is sprinkled all throughout. And so people like yourself, like anybody, could come and just relax and receive and let the treatments and the therapist and the team of doctors just help get a polish like from the inside out.
So this is a whole new spin on a vacation rental.
Yes.
This is a vacation rental and a soul heal.
The best thing that we invite people to do is not have expectations. And again, come to relax and receive.
It's so interesting, because obviously I'm always on the hunt to find the world's most interesting and best vacation rentals, and everything has a different element, different heart, a different essence. This is the first one I've been to where you're renting a room, a house, but you're actually here purposefully for another reason. A lot of people come for vacation, to escape.
Yeah.
This is a conscious escape.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what to expect.
Yeah.
I will promise you this. Mm-hmm. I will receive, and I will try to relax.
Yes, yes.
Whatever else may follow, I don't know.
Nobody does.
Yeah, I think I might be able to stay a little bit.
As long as you'd like.
Well, don't.
Okay,
That may be
within reason. Yeah.
I'm moving in.